Hi everyone, I'm Jasmill and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna do a quick first impressions kind of haul from Grove Collaborative. I'm really excited to try these products because they are, well, Grove is a retailer, but they only sell sustainable, natural, more clean products for your home. They also have beauty products, they have pet products, they have a bunch of stuff. Excuse me for interrupting this video, but I wanted to give a shout out to Be Kind for sending me these two cute rings. Their proceeds go to help saving bees, and I'll leave a link down below and my code down below if you want 20% off of your next order and if you want to try out these cute rings. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, and look at the cute little packaging and the cute little stickers. Bunch of stuff, and it's also a reoccurring subscription, but you can also choose whether you want to get things monthly or every 2 months or every 3 months. So I think that's pretty cool, and you get a lot of free gifts and all that stuff. I haven't paid for the membership yet. It's a 60-day free trial period, and then they'll charge you $20 for a year membership, which I don't think is that bad. And then you can also again choose what you want, and then they also have a ton of free gifts or something like that. And there's also recognizable brands, I use Myers or Mrs. Myers soap, dish soap and cleaner for my apartment, and they also have that brand on there. So it's products that are pretty recognizable and that you trust, and then you can also try new things. What made me want to just finally try them is because I kept seeing ads on Instagram about their bamboo toilet paper and how it's a lot better for the environment. Then I did ask my friend about it, and she said that she already has a membership for Grove and she likes it, and she gave me her referral link. There's also some things that I did buy on top of my free order because there was other gifts that you can unlock if you spend an amount of money, and that's how they get you to spend more money. But I thought that it was really worth it, so. Okay, the first thing that I got, and it's a pretty cool thing, it's called a stoneware tray, and I think I did get this for free. Yes, I got a ceramic sink tray, and I did get it for free. This can also be used as a bathroom tray. It's super cute. It's white. It has their cute little logo on here, and on the back it just says their brand name. Like I said before, they have recognizable brands, so I got the Mrs. Myers dish soap and hand soap in basil, and we love the basil scent. The basil scent is so nice. It's a little herbally, a little fresh and sweet. Yes, so this was another free gift, and these are just regular sponges, and we actually are running out of sponges too. I think we're on the last sponge, so I'm really excited about this as well. And it's so cute. It comes with a little bit more of a harsher side, and then the white spongy side, and I guess it's made from walnuts or something. Okay, so I saw this really cool product. It's called the Method Daily Shower Spray in the flavor Eucalyptus Mint, and this was actually $3.29, so it's not that bad. And I guess you could just spray it every day in your shower, and it kind of keeps your shower bathtub, or if you have no bathtub, just the floor of your shower, it keeps it fresh. And then something else that I got for free with my order, it's a glass cleaning concentrate. So I believe the purpose of this is to dilute it in a spray bottle with water, and then you can just clean your glass windows, or if you have glass tables or anything. And the smell is orange and rosemary, so I'm actually super excited to try this because I love citrus. So that one's really nice. And then this was the most expensive purchase in my order, the most expensive product. This is the Babo Botanicals Eucalyptus Remedy plant-based shampoo, bubble bath and wash. And honestly, I just want this for when I take bubble baths, but this smells bomb. This smells really eucalyptus-y. Something else that I saw, because I'm running out of currently, is a toilet cleaner, and this was $3.99. It's Method, from the brand Method, and it's just an antibacterial toilet cleaner, and it's in a spearmint smell. Something else that I got that's a new thing for me now that I'm living in this new apartment is garbage disposal. Like, I've never had a garbage disposal before in my home. So I saw this, and this is a freshener and a cleaner pod for garbage disposals. It comes with 12. The flavor is tangerine and lemongrass. When you open them, they really do smell like tangerines. Okay, I kind of get the little hint of like tangerine now, like a little bit, but it's not that strong, and I wish it was stronger because I love when it smells really good. But I don't know how we're supposed to test like how good this product is. Like, how are you gonna test? Oh crap, there's a plastic thing in there. This was in the garbage disposal. Oh fuck. Is there anything else? Oh, I don't like putting my hand in there. I don't know if it's bad to let your disposal get dirty, and if you're supposed to like clean it with a product like this. Oh, and this is something that my roommate's actually really excited about, and it's a soap dispenser and dish brush set. It's a super cute brush to clean your dishes with right here. It's so cute because it has this little bamboo handle, and then it also comes with a little like cup to sit in on this, so when you put it in the cup, the water can rinse out and it's not left like soaking in its own water, which I think is a pretty genius idea. And I can't wait to just like have it sitting on the sink. It's gonna be so cute. Especially like leaving it on this tray. I think it's gonna be mad cute. Here is the little kitchen sink setup, and I just wanted to show you guys how it kind of looks. Let me just bring the camera in closer. So we have our Myers dish soap and the hand soap. We have the cute little brush, and then with the ceramic plate, I just have my bottle cleaner, an old sponge that I probably has like a couple more weeks. So figure we just use that up more, and then a scrub daddy. And I think it's super cute. I have this glass bottle spray, and this was free, and it also comes with a silicone sleeve. And this is just so you can mix like any solution. You can put water, you can do any cleaning solution that you want. This is the bamboo tissues. Oh, this is the packaging. Ooh. So you have to do it on the top right here. Get the tissues from this cardboard box, and this is like its little packaging right here, which I think it's like it's more sustainable. Like, it's not wrapped in any plastic. European dishcloths for, I think they could just be used anywhere, like in the kitchen or in the bathroom to clean anything. And you can pop them in the dishwasher and clean and just keep like using them. They're reusable. They come in a set of 2, and these were actually $6. I don't know why I got these actually. I thought that they were free, but the toilet papers and the paper towels from Bamboo, and I got 2 of them right here, 2 paper towels, and then I got 4 toilet papers. And this is what the paper towels look like. Literally like any other paper towel in the market. This is what the toilet paper looks like a regular toilet paper. You know, I just wanted to show you guys my little Grove haul and to spread more awareness and publicity to everyone that's watching out there about sustainability and natural products and switching to more sustainable brands.